How to fix add payment method not showing on Roblox in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open Roblox, and then here you can see the option more. Now click on more, and then here you can see the option settings. Now click on settings and then click on payment methods. Now here you cannot see your payment methods. Now go back to your home screen and open Safari and search here roblox.com. Open your Roblox and click on continue in browser. Click on continue in browser, and then on top right corner you can see the setting icon. Now click on it and then click on settings. Now click on account info, and here you can see the option payment methods. Now click on it. Now here you can add your payment method. Now click on add, and here you can add your credit or debit payment method. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.